This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so welcome to Business Analyst online training demo. Today we are going to have a demo related to Business Analyst workshop. In this demo, I am going to explain you what all we are going to do in our regular daily workshop sessions. I will be explaining you about the business analyst, like what is a business analyst, who can take this course, and what is the demand for business analyst in IT industry, how the role of a business analyst is different from other IT employees. Then afterwards, we are going to see what are the prerequisites that are required for doing this course, and how the demand for business analysts in different markets. If you take Canadian market or Australian market or US market, then in this training, what you are going to get, what kind of contents that are available, and what kind of material you are going to get, and what kind of job support and interview preparation help you are going to get, and how this course will be done. Everything I am going to explain today in this demo. Okay, so first let me introduce myself. My name is Nikki. I am the person, I am the mentor who is going to take the entire workshop sessions related to business analyst. Coming to my education, I am MBA graduated with marketing and finance. And coming to my certifications, I am certified in NISM, that is National Institutes of Security Markets, and I am certified in CSRE, that is Certified Specialist in Requirement Engineering from WBAC, that is All Business Analyst Council from US. Apart from this, I am certified in Kanban as well as CSM, that is Certified Scrum Master. Presently, I am pursuing Agile Coach. And coming to my professional experience, I have 10 years experience as a lead business analyst. I work for a couple of MNC companies. So apart from this, coming to my training experience, I have 4 years of training experience. In these 4 years, I have trained nearly 300 people, out of which 250 people got successfully placed in different countries like India, US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. So this is my training record. Okay. So I request you people to keep yourself in mute. In case if you want to ask anything, you can just unmute and you can ask me. Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is my introduction. So next comes to, I want to know about you people. Just let me know your name, education, work experience, and current location. So I guess, Mame, are you there? Can you let me know about yourself? Yeah, Emuna or Nishant Soni, anyone can say about yourself, your name, education, work experience, and current location.
Yeah,
Hello.
my
Okay.
Yeah,
Hello,
yeah,
my name is Yamuna,
yeah.
and my education is a Bachelor of Computer Application, and I was part of TCS for uh, past 7 years, and I was with the Infosys also for 1 year, and I was BPO background, and it was all about insurance, and now I'm in San Antonio.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Emuna. Nishant, what about you, Nishant?
yeah, my name is Nishant Soni. I've done my MBA from University of Wales, and so after that, I've been working at my father's manufacturing unit. So we manufacture furniture, and I'm currently based in Delhi.
Okay, thank you. And Mami, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, can I know about you?
Yes, my name is Mam, and I'm located in the US. I'm currently working on my bachelor's degree in health information technology, and I work as an IT technician.
Okay, thank you, Mami. And I
You're
can see
welcome.
another two people. Can you? I don't names are not displaying. So do you people want to give your introduction? Okay. Yeah.
Hi,
Yeah.
my name is Rupinder Kaur and I located in US, New York, and I work with the Gaming Commission in New York State.
Okay.
Yeah, my name is Daljit Singh and I take care
Okay.
and presently I'm working with an attorney as a paralegal.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Valinda. Okay. So in today's online training demo, we are going to see with all this. This is our agenda. First, we are going to have introductions, which we have completed just now. I introduce myself and you people as said your details. Then next, we are going to see with what is business analysis. Then next one is BA as a career and training highlights. So I am going to explain what is our course structure and what kind of material I am going to share. After that, if you have any questions, just ask me so that I can answer or clarify your doubt. Okay. Then what is business analysis? Okay. So business analysis is nothing but, okay, once after taking this training, what happens, I will explain you. Okay. So once after taking this training, if you are appointed as a business analyst for a particular MNC company, so the first and foremost responsibility or the first and foremost role which you are going to see is define and scope business area. So what is define and scope business area in the sense? So once a IT company appoints you as a business analyst, they are going to assign a project to you. Okay. So once project has been assigned, they will be giving a document called as requirement document or a development document. So this document contains about the details of the project at a high level. Okay. So with the help of this document, we are going to do analysis of that particular project, like what is this project all about, what is the objective of the project, why the client want to implement this project, okay, what kind of problems he was facing in the legacy system, so how this project can solve those problems. So everything we are going to do by doing enterprise analysis, business analysis. Okay. So this enterprise analysis, we will be having different techniques. Okay. We are going to use those techniques and we are going to use requirement gatherings. So with the help of this, all we are going to do enterprise analysis. So once you complete, then we are going to define and scope business area. So scope business area is nothing but what we have to do in the project and what we have to deliver in this project. Okay. Then next, after performing this role, the next one is elicit requirements. So elicit requirements is nothing but gathering requirements. Okay. So we are going to use different requirement gathering techniques, like it could be brainstorming or document analysis or prototyping. So there are many requirement gathering techniques. So I am going to explain about each and every requirement gathering technique in our regular workshop. So just for a glance, you remember that once you define scope business area, we are going to gather requirements that are required for the development of the project. Then after completion of requirement gathering, then we are going to analyze and document requirements. Analyze requirements is something like whatever the requirements you gathered here. So we are going to show those requirements to our reporting authority. Okay. So they are going to review those requirements and they will give their feedback, whether these requirements are sufficient, whether these requirements are suitable for the project or not. Okay. So based on their feedback, we are going to document requirements. Document requirements is nothing but we are going to prepare different documents like SRS document, which stands for software requirement specifications, BRS document, which stands for business requirements specifications, FSD, which stands for functional specification documents. So as a business analyst, we will be preparing different kinds of documents. So what are the documents that are prepared by BA? How many documents are there? How to prepare those documents? What are the contents of these documents? For which type of project? What kind of document we have to prepare? So everything we are going to see in our regular workshop. Okay. So once requirements are documented, then we have to communicate those requirements to the respective stakeholders. It could be to the developers, or it could be to testers, or it could be to outside stakeholders. So how we are going to communicate requirements is by using UML diagrams. Okay, we are going to put these requirements in the form of a diagrammatic diagrammatic way. So for this purpose, you will be using UML diagrams, and we are going to use some tools to draw these diagrams. Now, what are those tools? How to draw these UML diagrams? Everything I am going to explain you. Okay. Once we communicate requirements, then we are going to identify solution, and verify solution means the requirements. That means, so how these requirements are going to help to the client to solve this problem or to achieve the objective of particular project, that we are going to explain. So these are the our main roles and responsibilities that a business analyst is going to do at a high level. So while doing these roles and responsibilities, as I said, we are going to have many business analysts, enterprise analysis techniques, and we are going to have many requirement gathering techniques, and we are going to prepare many documents, and we are going to use different communication tools. There will be different conditions, notations. So we are going to see all these in our regular workshop. Okay. So here is a definition given by the IT industry about business analysis. It goes like this. Business analysis is the task of understanding business change needs, accessing the business impact of those changes, capturing, analyzing, and documenting requirements, and supporting the communication and delivery of requirements with relevant stakeholders. So with my 10 years of experience, I can make a short form of this definition. So what is business analysis is? Business analysis is nothing but identifying the gray areas in a business and giving IT solutions for successful completion of the project or for efficient and effective working of the project. So gray areas are nothing but the problems. Okay. So business analysis is nothing but identifying the gray problems in a business and give IT solutions to solve those problems. Okay. So business analysis is just like a bridging between the clients and the developers. Okay. Now, if we divide the word business analysis into two words, we will get two definitions. One is definition for business and another one is definition for analysis. So definition of business goes like this. An organization concerned with providing products or services to satisfy customer requirements with the objective of making profit or not for profit. It means we are going to do as a business analyst for all organizations, irrespective of profit or non-profitable. Our main objective as a business analyst is to provide products or services to satisfy the customer requirements. And definition of analysis includes discover rather than invention, fact rather than opinion, questions rather than answers, why rather than how, and problems rather than solutions, outcome rather than process. So we are going to do analysis on all these points and we are going to provide a solution. Okay. Then why to choose a BA career? Okay, before joining this demo or before making up your mind to get into BA career or before making your mind to develop your career as a BA, you would be having different thoughts in your mind. It could be like whether you are suitable for this BA position or not, or whether what kind of jobs, what is the demand for BA in the IT industry. Okay, and what kind of topics will be there in BA. In this way, you may have different thoughts. So here are some points which are going to give clarity on your thoughts. So I will explain you each and every point. So the first one is BA jobs are increasing in the present market of about 36%. So the reason why BA jobs are increasing is because in the initial stages, when the role of BA emerged in the IT industry, only the level 5 companies started recruiting BAs. So after level 5 companies started recruiting BAs, they have observed a much rapid increase in the success ratio of the project. Okay, so by seeing that even the startup companies, level 1, level 2 companies started recruiting BAs, and now BA job has become one of the important job in the IT industry. So that's the reason BA jobs are occupying 36% of IT industry. Okay. Now, business analyst is one of the most in-demand and hottest jobs that employees are looking for. So why this business analyst job is most in demand in the sense, this BA job is a good platform for the non-IT guy to enter into IT sector. Okay. So if you are from non-IT background, you don't have any technical knowledge, so you can opt this business analyst job, you can opt this business analyst training, and you can easily get into IT sector. So that's why it is most in-demand job. Okay. Now, third one is according to the US Department of Labor and an IIBA salary survey, business analysts can earn over $1 lakh per year. So there was a survey conducted by US Department of Labor and IIBA. IIBA stands for International Institute of Business Analysis. So they have conducted a survey and revealed a fact that an average BA is earning $1 lakh per year. Okay. Now, next one is research shows the IT analyst job to be the 7th best job in America with a 10-year growth outlook of 36%. So, BA job is the 7th best job out of 10 jobs. If you choose 10 jobs in the US, it will be in the 7th best position. Okay. And BA is one of the top 10 recession-proof jobs, which is given by Forbes magazine and is the top paid among the 10. So Forbes magazine is a uh, uh, related to business and business news, which is going to provide the complete business news. So it has revealed that uh, BA is one of the top 10 recession-proof jobs. Okay. So BA jobs cater to many domains like pharmaceutical, healthcare, insurance, finance, banking, mortgage, accounting, financial budgeting, and controlling bonds, medical insurance, etc. So these are the different domains that are available to do as a BA. So apart from this, you will be having real estate, then transportation, aeronautical. So all these are different domains. Okay. So you can select any particular domain based on your education and based on your previous work experience. Okay. And secure job, it also shows that a business analyst could be possibly secured from the economics of recession as seen recently the world over. These jobs cannot be offshore. So business analyst jobs are very secure. That means the IT companies won't dare to terminate the BAs even at the times of recession. Why? In the sense, BA is going to act as a one of the important pillar for the implementation and development of the project. So he is going to act as a spark, that is single point of contact for all the different stakeholders, for all the teams, like it could be development team, or it could be testing team, or it could be networking team. So he will be a center point of contact. So in case if we are going to terminate the BA, so there will be a lack of communication, so there will be miscommunication going in the project, and that may lead to failure of project. So that's the reason the IT companies never dare to remove the BA. So these are some of the points which explains why to choose a BA career. Okay. Then this slides explains you the job ratio and growth potential of a BA. So BA is having 7.7% of growth potential out of 10, falling next to programmers who are having 8.4%. Then this is the latest news which we got about BA. It goes like this. A business analysis is your thing. you are in demand. Business analysis jobs are expected to increase 19% by 2022, according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. So it says that by 2022, the BA jobs are going to increase by 19%. So right now in the US market, there is a scarcity of 7,50,000 BA jobs. So if you take Canadian market, there is a scarcity of 2,50,000 jobs. If you take Australian market, there is a scarcity of 1,50,000 jobs. So these are going to increase by 19% because each and every company is recognizing the importance of a BA in a project. Okay. Then training prerequisites. Prerequisites are nothing but qualities. So what kind of qualities you require to take this training? So it goes like this. Prior experience is not required. Entry-level IT business analyst is not required. IT professionals only is not required. So non-IT professional aspiring to get into business analyst can take this training. That means if you are from non-IT background and if you are aspiring to get into IT sector, then you can take this training. So self-taught IT business analyst waiting to fill in the gaps and put all the pieces together. That means if you are working as a business analyst and if you want to improve and if you want to gain knowledge on different concepts, then you can take this training. And system analysts and programmers interested in expanding their role into the business area. That means if you are working as a system analyst or if you are working as a programmer and if you want to divert your career as a business analyst, then you can take this training. So basic SQL skills and some domain knowledge is a plus. Okay. So this sentence, basic SQL skills and some domain knowledge is a plus. It says if you have some SQL skills and domain knowledge, it is an added advantage, but not mandatory. So even if you don't have SQL skills and domain knowledge, I am here to help you what kind of SQL skills required to a BA and what is the domain knowledge also I am going to explain. Okay. Then who can become a successful business analyst? So anyone who is having personal skills, process knowledge, tool skills, domain understanding can become a successful BA. So personal skills, everyone will be having, that is common sense, communication skills, written and oral, people skills, detail oriented and interested in getting things done. And process knowledge, I'm going to explain what is project life cycle, software development life cycle, and what is testing and facilitative skills, etc. And related to tools, so MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, modeling tools like Visio, Rose, Star, UML Enterprise Architecture, other MPP, ITIL tools, collaboration tools, UI tools, SQL tools. So whatever the tools that are required for a BA, I am going to explain about the tools. And domain understanding. So basic business areas, function, process. And this also I am going to explain you. Okay. So only thing you need to take care is about your personal skills and rest of the things I am going to take care. Now BA career growth, this is the hierarchy of a BA. So BA career is divided into 4 levels: entry level, mid level, senior level, leadership level. So entry level in the sense if you are joining as a business analyst by keeping 0 to 4 years of experience. So you will be treated as an entry level. So here the people who can join as entry level or industry and domain experts are fresh MBAs, developers or QS. So they will be treated as IT business analysts and they are going to report to senior or lead BA. So when you work for some couple of years, then you will be promoted to mid level. So there you are going to act as a senior or lead BA and you will be reporting to SME, that is subject matter expert, and you will be working for sales business development. So once you complete some couple of years in mid level, then you will be promoted to senior level. So here you will be treated as business process reengineering or consulting, and you are going to work under you are going to report to vendor management and you are going to work as a product management. So then once you complete some experience over here at senior level, then you will be promoted to leadership level. So you will be acting as a CTO, that is Chief Technology Officer, and you will be handling some couple of projects. Okay, so this is the entire career path. Then here we go with the BA salaries. So what kind of salaries the BA will be getting? So if you take junior BA in US, he will be drawing $74,000. A business analyst in US, he will be drawing $83,000, and senior BA will be drawing $95,000, and senior finance BA will be drawing $99,000, and senior insurance BA will be drawing $104,000, and senior investment banking BA will be drawing $106,000, and senior healthcare BA will be drawing $106,000. Senior retail BA will be drawing $106,000. Okay, these are the different salary structures for a BA. This salary structure is given by Indeed. Indeed is a leading job portal, and it has given a comment on BA. It says average national BA salaries are 14% higher than all job postings nationwide. So when you compare the BA salary with any other job, they are getting 14% high. Okay. And if you compare BA salaries with developer salaries in different categories, for example, if you take industry wise, in banking, a BA will be drawing 70 to $140,000, and developer will be getting 50 to $120,000. In the same way, if you take level wise, suppose if I take at mid level, BA will be getting 70 to $140,000, and developer will be getting 50 to $120,000. If I take solution wise, in specialized ERP products, BA will be getting 90 to $160,000, and developer will be getting 70 to $140,000. In geography wise, emerging markets like Vietnam, Myanmar, a BA will be drawing 45 to $90,000, and developer will be drawing 30 to $70,000. So if you observe the figures, each and every figure, a BA will be getting more or equal to developer, but not less than developer. So that's the reason even the developers want to divert their career as a BA. Okay. So this is the ranking of BA jobs internationally. So they have taken 25 best jobs, out of which BA is standing in the 5th best position in professional services. So the first place go to marketing manager in marketing and communications. So BA is having 5th best position, and in professional services it is having first position with 3.3 as career ops rating and 4.3 as overall score. Okay. Then coming to my training. So what kind of benefits you are going to get from this training? So mine is a role specific training. So what is role specific training in the sense? Here, whatever the concepts I am going to explain you, that I will be explaining you with practical knowledge. That means I am going to explain each and every concept by taking a practical example and how we are going to do that in the project. So in case if you are unable to understand, then we are going to have a role play. That means you will be treated as a business analyst and I will be acting as a client, and we are going to have a interaction as a client and BA. Okay. Then hands-on mentoring on interactive sessions. So throughout the workshop, we are going to have more and more interactive sessions and spot clarification of doubts. So while going in regular sessions, if you have any doubt, you can stop me saying, Nikki, I have a doubt. So I can pause my training for some time and I can clarify those doubts there itself. In case if it is related to ongoing concept. If it is related to any other concept, then we are going to see about those at the end of each and every session. Okay. So all materials, including soft copy of notes, templates, and PDFs will be provided. So totally there are 13 modules. For each and every module, once we complete each and every module, you are going to get the soft copy of notes.
Hello.
I don't think we can hear him anymore. We cannot hear you anymore, Nikki.
Yeah, we cannot hear you.
There must be a problem with
Hello.
sound. We cannot hear you.
I guess we both only online, I
Can you hear
guess.
me?
Hello.
Oh
Yeah,
yes,
now
we
only
can
we
hear
can
you.
hear. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Sorry. You people can hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah, sorry. There was a power cut.
Okay.
Okay. So for each and every module, you are going to get the soft copy of notes. So in that soft copy of notes, you will be having assignments for each and every module, and you are going to get the recording video of each and every module. Whatever the live sessions we are going to have, further you are going to get the recording videos. And then I will be providing you the templates and PDF formats of different documents. And after that, once we complete all these 13 modules, we are going to work on 4 case studies. That means I will be explaining you how to draw the UML diagrams with the help of 4 case studies. And after completion of that 4 case studies, then we are going to see with 2 real-time project scenarios. That means I will be taking 2 real-time projects and I will be explaining you what a BA is going to do from day one till the project goes into production. How he is going to coordinate with the client, how he is going to gather the requirements. After gathering requirements, what kind of work he is going to do, and how he is going to convert them into UML format, and how he is going to communicate. So everything I'm going to explain by taking 2 real-time project scenarios. So after that, one session we are going to have resume preparation. That means how to prepare your resume and how to make it attractive, everything. And after that, we are going to have interview questions. That means I am going to provide a booklet which consists of nearly 300 interview question and answers. So these are a real-time interview question and answers. You can expect nearly 70% of questions in your interview. That means 70% of the questions will be coming from this booklet, and rest of the 30% will depend upon the projects you are keeping in your resume. Okay. So these are all the deliverables which you are going to get with this training. So guidance for resume preparation and interviews. Okay, so this is our roadmap, how we are going to start our training. So first we are going to see with introduction to BA, then we will learn about SDLC lifecycle, then we are going to see with SDLC methods and models, then we are going to learn about 6 knowledge areas, and then about requirements, and then documentation, and then we are going to see with OOPS and MVC architecture, and then we are going to learn about UML diagrams and tools, and then about BPM, RUP and RAD, and then we are going to learn about servers and testing, and then we are going to see with change management process and important points about project. So these 2 modules, change management process and important points about project, I have kept my 10 years of experience to design these 2 modules. So you are not going to get any more information in Google or anywhere. Okay, so if you're perfect with these 2 modules, I can assure you, you can do the interview by keeping 3 to 4 years of experience easily. Okay, then after completion of all this, we are going to have interview tips and resume preparation. Okay, so I will explain, I will show you what are the contents of my entire these 13 modules. Okay, these are the contents. So in module number 1 is introduction to BA. So in this, we are going to see with all these concepts, that is business analyst overview and origin, what is business analysis and who is a business analyst, and types of IT companies, IT hierarchy, stakeholder and type of stakeholders, SPOC, scope and scope creep, business analyst prerequisites, roles and responsibilities of a BA, do's and don'ts of a BA, problems faced by BA, with stakeholders in gathering requirements and stages in business analysis. Okay, all these topics will be covered in module number 1. And module number 2 is SDLC process. I'm going to explain what is SDLC process and what are the different phases like enterprise planning and designing phase, development phase, testing phase, installation phase, maintenance phase, and what kind of work each and every phase will contain, and what is the role of a BA. That means how the development of project goes in each and every phase and the role of a BA. Then module number 3 is all about SDLC methods and models. So in this, I'm going to explain you different methods. So we are going to see with 4 methods, that is sequential methodology, which is also known as waterfall model, iterative methodology, which is also known as RUP, evolutionary methodology, which is also known as spiral model or prototyping model. And here we are going to see what are prototypes and different types of prototypes. And I am going to explain you what is a wireframe and prototype and a mockup. And after that, we are going to see with Agile methodology. In Agile methodology, I will be explaining you about XP or Scrum, that is Extreme Programming and Scrum. Okay. So module number 4 is related to 6 knowledge areas, which are also known as the stages of BA. So in this, I'm going to explain what is enterprise analysis, how to do enterprise analysis. That is, we are going to see with Pareto analysis, fishbone analysis, SWOT analysis, gap analysis, feasibility study, business case writing. Then next one is requirement planning and management. In this, I am going to explain RACH chart, that is responsible, accounted, consulted, and informed. And next, I will be explaining you about requirement elicitation or gathering. So here we are going to see about nearly 10 requirement gathering techniques. So I will be explaining each and every requirement gathering technique, when to use these techniques, and for which kind of project we are going to use this. Then we will see about requirement communication. So how to communicate requirements, and then requirement documentation, how to document requirements, then solution assessment and validation. And module number 5 is all about requirement analysis process. In this, we are going to see what is a requirement and what are the different types, and what are the guidelines to prepare guidelines for good requirements. Then what are the parameters of good requirements? Then what is requirement gathering, and what are the different phases in requirement gathering, and mistakes and challenges associated with requirement gathering. Then module number 6 is related to documentation. So in this, we are going to see what are the different types of documents prepared by a BA and their standards. So what are the contents of SRS and BRD documents, and preparation of S4W, that is statement of work, and what are the contents and how to prepare RTM. Okay. So how to prepare these documents, when to use these documents, for which kind of project, what kind of document we are going to use, everything I will be explaining you. And 7th one is related to OOPS and MVC architecture. So in this, we are going to see what is a OOPS concept, and what are the elements of OOPS, and what is like when we are going to apply this OOPS concept. And MVC architecture, we are going to see with model view controller architecture, and what is 2-tier and 3-tier architecture. Then module number 8 is related to UML diagrams. So here I am going to explain you what is UML diagram. I will be giving introduction, and then we will see with use case diagram. In that, we are going to see what are the relationships and what are the functionalities, like extend and include functions, and how to write a use case description document. Then after that, sequence diagram and activity diagrams. Then what are the softwares we are going to use to draw these diagrams. Okay, here we are going to do 4 case studies. Then module number 9 is related to BPM, RUP, and RAD, which is something advanced version. So I will be explaining you what is BPM, that is business process modeling, and what is RUP, rational unified processing, and what are the different phases and documents prepared in RUP, and what is RAD, like rapid application development and stages in RAD. Okay. And then is related to software servers and different types of servers. So in this, I'm going to explain what are the different types of servers, and what is a development server, and what is a UAT server, and how to do UAT testing, and important points to be followed while doing UAT testing, and what is a production server, and the role of a BA in each server. Okay, that means how the development work goes in each and every server. Then module number 11 is related to software testings. So here we are going to see testing, areas of testing and types of testing, an introduction to QA methodology, and role of a BA in testing, creating test plans and creating test cases, different testing methods, what is functional and regression testing, and what is white box and black box testing, and what is positive and negative testing, and what is GUI and unit testing, and what is user acceptance testing. So we are going to learn about all testing related topics. Okay. Then module number 12, as I said, module number 12 and 13 are very important. Module number 12 is related to change management process. So in this, I am going to explain what is a change management process, what are the reasons for requirement changes, then how we are going to handle a change request and change of scope, and what are acceptable changes, and this is the process. What is the process we are going to handle change request? Then important points to be considered while handling a change request. And module number 13 is related to project management system. So in this, I am going to explain how a project will be initiated and what is the software bidding process. And we will see some basic knowledge of project, like what is the BA proportion in project, what are the different project types, what are the types of payments in project, how to do mails management, and what are project standards, what are timesheets, what is budget allocation. Okay, then how to prepare Gantt charts, and what are project milestones and pricing, what is the company approach on project, what are the reasons for project failure, and how to do risk analysis and management. So all this we are going to see in module number 13. Okay, so apart from all these modules, you are going to get resume preparation and resume preparation tips and sample resumes I am going to provide you. And as I said, I'm going to provide you the soft copy of notes for each and every module, then recording version of these modules. And we are going to have 4 case studies on use case diagrams and 2 real-time project scenarios. And for interview preparation, you are going to get interview preparation tips and sample interview questions. As I said, I'm going to provide a booklet which consists of nearly 300 interview question and answers, and you can expect nearly 70% of interview questions from this booklet, and rest of the 30% depends upon the projects which you are keeping. And I will explain you how to clear your interviews. Okay. So this is the entire workshop. These are all the entire deliverables which you are going to receive with this training. And this training will be of 25 days, daily 1 hour. Okay. So you are going to complete the training within 25 days. So do you have any doubts? You can ask me so that I can clear your doubts. So everything fine for everyone? If you have any doubts, just let me know. Yes, Nishant, Yamuna, Mame, do you have any doubts?
Oh, actually, we don't have any doubts, and I have one thing to ask you. Like, you are conducting a Scrum program even?
That is another package. So here in this, I will be explaining about the Scrum and everything.
It is just
In
basic thing.
Yeah, basic in the sense how we are going to work under Scrum environment, that I will be explaining you
Okay,
about
Scrum is
Scrum
a
and
complete
Agile.
different package. That's what you are saying, right? If needs
Exactly.
to do about Scrum, I want to approach you in individually. That's what, right?
Yeah, that is a different package. It consists of Scrum, Agile, Jira, and Confluence.
Okay. Thank you. That's what I was asking. I'm clear about BA.
Okay. So you can just contact your respective consultancy and update your feedback. So we are starting
Sure.
regular batch from Monday. That is
From Monday.
on 20. Yeah, on 22nd. That is after
25
not
days is
tomorrow.
like which includes even Saturdays and Sundays, right?
Every week we are going to have 5 days, 5 days
Oh,
classes.
excludes
Okay.
Saturdays and Sundays, weekends. Okay.
Exactly.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you for your patience for listening to this demo. So hopefully we will see on the regular classes.
Thank you.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you so much.